Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new modern 4-bedroom family house and lot for sale located here near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. This property has a spacious floor area of 375 square meters across 3 levels and a lot area of 202 square meters. Now join us as we begin this tour. Through the pedestrian gate, you immediately have a view of your carport area. To your right, you have a carport here for one vehicle. And you have access towards a landscape garden towards the back of the house. And then on this side, you have a larger carport area for a second and third vehicle. It's partially covered here, and this has access once again to the back of the house. And here we go towards your main entry, which is already covered. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You immediately have an area here which you can use as a ground level entertainment space. This can be a nice area to entertain guests by having an entertainment console right here. And then on the other side, you have access towards a den room. So plenty of natural light through windows on 3 sides of the room. This would make for a nice movie room as well, or even an entertainment space. Potentially, this can even be used as a bedroom. And you have access towards a bathroom right here. Floor-to-ceiling tiling, indirect lighting at the mirror, and a tempered glass shower enclosure. Now, this bathroom can be used by both the guests here and if this is going to be used as a guest room. You have access towards a patio space here also at the back of the house. This is a nice tiled area which is large enough to accommodate a table and several chairs. What's nice is if you stand here at the corner of the property, you can appreciate the landscaping all around the house. This would be great, especially if you have some pets who love to run around. And since the lanai area is also covered, this is great also as an area to extend your entertainment space. Okay. So you can walk all around the house. Let's head back in. And through these stairs, let's head on over towards the second level. My first impression for this property is it's very polished and pulido, meaning it's very well made in terms of the finishing, meaning everything, all the lines are very well made in terms of the lines here, the ceiling space, everything feels well crafted. Okay? We're now here at the second level where you have your main living area. Let's turn left right here. So this is a second living space on top of what you have in the ground level. This is a corner room facing the front of the house. You have a large corner window giving you plenty of natural light, and this would make for another area for your family, and the downstairs area would be great for entertaining guests. So you could have separation of groups. If you have guests downstairs, family can be very quietly enjoying themselves right here. Okay? And you have your staircase leading to the third level. But before we do that, let's take a look here at your dining area. Once again, very well lit. And you have an accent ceiling design right here. And there's a provision here for a ceiling light. It's up to you what you want to place here after purchasing the house. Also, the flooring is made up of large format tiles. The gray color complements and contrasts well against the wooden elements and the walls. Now, from your dining space, you have a spacious kitchen area. You have a dual level island countertop, which is maximized by having storage also here. You can have stools here on the other side, make this a nice informal dining area. And I love that there's so much space to navigate. You already have a built-in range hood and oven and cooktop. There's already a sink space here and a nice large window, so you have plenty of lighting and ventilation for your kitchen space. And on this side, you have a pantry room. You have access here also to your circuit breakers. As an option for interior design, you have a provision here if you want to have, for example, some accent or pendant lights over your island countertop. Now, from your main kitchen, let's take a look at your auxiliary kitchen space. This is a nice additional area where you can have potentially an additional oven or even an additional refrigerator. But of course, that would entail having a portion of this countertop cut. But it's up to you how you want to maximize this space. And there's an additional sink area right here. Now, what's nice about the design of this property is you have access straight from the parking area towards the auxiliary space and the kitchen. So you don't need to go through the entertainment space through the main door if you're bringing up groceries. Let's explore here. as I mentioned before, you have access towards this area from the carport space, and you have a gravel wash for the flooring here, which is nice in terms of safety, so it's not slippery, especially if you want to use this space as a laundry area as well. You could potentially have your washing machine on this side and then have this area as an area where you can hang clothes. And here you have your staff room. You have a large window also for ventilation, and there would be space here for a single bed, and it has its own bathroom. To add to the aesthetic, you also have an additional bamboo fence on top of the cement fence right here. Okay. Another thing I've noticed is in the afternoons, the sun sets on this side of the property, so your entire parking area is already quite cool the moment you hit about 4 p.m. onwards, 3 to 4 p.m. onwards. Okay. Let's head on up. Now we're back here at the second level through your main kitchen. And let's explore right now your first room. So this can be a guest room. You have outlets all around. This is where you can have your television set because you have your cable provision right here. The tiling for the living and dining spaces extends also here. You see that large format tiling. You have a shadow line here to add depth to the ceiling. And on this side, you have a bathroom, which can also serve as a powder room. We're gonna head on up over towards the third level where you have your second, third, and fourth bedrooms. Now you see the ceiling space here is raised so that you can accommodate a nice light fixture. So it's up to you. That's another interior design option after purchasing the home. And on top of your ground level entertainment space, your second level living room, you have a third level den area. So that gives you 3 different shared amenity spaces for this home. I like that this space is completely out of the way from the rooms, so you can have people passing through here from the bedrooms towards the staircase, but they won't get in the way while you're having a great time here. You could have a large L-shaped couch here and a television console right here. This could even be maximized as a nice study or work from home setup space. Let's take a look here at your second bedroom. You have built-in cabinetry. I like the finish and how cleanly the design has been placed. There's absolutely no bulges in terms of the finish in the cabinetry. Very smooth, and of course, you can easily have a double bed right here. And then on this side, you have your ensuite bathroom. So for the fixtures, the brand used is HCG. And right here you have your third bedroom. So this is a larger size than the previous room. You could have a bigger bed here, even a queen-sized bed. And once again, plenty of storage. This is an east-facing room. This side, the other side, is the west side of the property. That's why we're filming this in the afternoon, and it's quite cool here on the morning side. Okay. And then you have an ensuite bathroom right here. I'm gonna step in so you can appreciate the size. And what I've noticed is the ceiling height progressively gets higher almost. That's the feeling as you go from the ground level to the second level to the third level. Because of course, we can't have this ceiling height for all the levels because every village usually has a height restriction. So the designers of this home were very creative in maximizing the ceiling height, especially for the bedrooms here, because the main occupants of the room would be able to enjoy such a high ceiling height here. And of course, here we have your primary bedroom, which is also your fourth bedroom. So this property is on elevated terrain. And this is quite a sizable room. Plenty of natural light. This is where you can have your television set. This can easily accommodate a king-sized bed. And of course, to identify this as the primary bedroom, you of course have a walk-in closet space. So plenty of storage right here. And this is a nice touch. This is where you can have some shoes stored, and you have these openings to give ventilation to the shoes also. And a nice dresser area. Of course, you can potentially have a mirror here. And from your walk-in closet space, let's take a look at your bathroom. So the main difference here is a significantly larger mirror and countertop. You can see right here, the countertop even wraps all around this space with plenty of space for your toiletries. And of course, you have your toilet and tempered glass shower enclosure for your shower area. Now we're back here at your third level den space, and that caps off our house tour of this brand new 4-bedroom family house and lot for sale near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.